Excuse me, good afternoon. Are you my Uber driver, James? I want to make sure I am in the right car.
Yes, that is me. And you must be Sarah, right?
Yes, that's right. Actually, James, I just noticed something on my phone. The Uber app is showing a different route than the one we are taking right now. Are we going the right way?
Oh, let me check my navigation. Yes, you are right. The app suggests the highway, but I prefer this back road because it avoids the main intersection. There is always heavy traffic and construction there at this time of day.
I understand, but I am a bit worried. Won't the total price increase if the distance is longer or if we take a different path?
No, don't worry about that. With Uber, the fare is usually upfront. This means the price is fixed when you book the trip. It doesn't matter which specific streets I take, you will still pay the same amount.
Oh, I didn't know that. I thought it worked like a regular taxi meter. So the £35 I saw on my screen is exactly what I will pay. No matter what?
Exactly. The only way the price changes is if you ask me to make extra stops or if you decide to change the final destination during the trip.
That is very good to know. Actually, since you mentioned it, would it be possible to make one very quick stop? My friend is waiting just 3 blocks from here, and I would like to pick her up.
Sure, I can do that. Where exactly is your friend waiting?
She is on Market Street, right in front of the library. It is directly on our way to the airport.
Okay, but please remember that for insurance and safety reasons, I have to update the trip in the app. Let me add the stop for you. There, it is updated. The app says this extra stop will add about £3 to your final fare. Is that okay with you?
Yes, £3 is perfectly fine. It is much cheaper than her taking a separate taxi. Thank you for being so flexible and for explaining how the pricing works.
No problem at all. It is always better to ask if you are confused. We will be at Market Street in about 2 minutes.
Perfect. Thank you.